Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 419 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Kleancolor Spotlight Blush, although this is in the shade tan, so it's not exactly a blush, it's more of a bronzer. But I got this from ShopMissA, so it's only $1 and it's cruelty free. I showed this in my ShopMissA haul and I am so excited to try this out because it looks really pretty. If you want to see my ShopMissA haul, I will link that video down below. Gosh, I feel like I haven't tried a new bronzer in a while. Cute! For $1, this is really nice packaging because here it flips up to a mirror and it even comes with a brush. Cute. This brush does not really feel like it'll be that great, but you know what? This is a product review, so I'll try it anyways. So actually, let me just swatch it first. Ooh, nice texture to this powder. It's pretty. Oh wow. And this has some shine to it. It looks a little bit metallic. Good pigment though, and it definitely seems like a warm toned tan shade, so this could look kind of orange on me, therefore I'm going to try and go in with a light hand. Okay, so I'm going to take the brush. Gosh, okay, don't want too much on there, and then I'll use this mirror too. This brush feels so tiny. Oof. I mean, it does something. I feel like since these bristles are so hard, they're kind of like thick bristle hairs, it's causing a lot of powder kickback in here because it's kind of like breaking the product. Actually looking kind of nice and actually blending out fine with this brush. It's not going on super pigmented and it's almost not even really looking metallic. It's looking really nice actually. But to really give this product the best chance at looking good, I'm going to go in with I'm actually going to go in with this brush. This brush is from the brush set that I love from Vanderlife. And if you want to see my video on that brush set, I will link that down below. Dang. This actually applies beautifully. It's not patchy. It blends out so nicely. Gosh. And I'm liking the color. Wow. I really like this. I like the color. I like the application. I really like how it looks on the skin. It doesn't even look like there's a product on my skin. It doesn't look metallic or shiny either, like it did when I swatched it. All right, let me just add some color to my face, add some dimension. I feel like bronzer just makes my makeup look appear so much better and more natural too when I add some color to my face and it's not just all the same tone. Wow, and that this is only $1 is amazing because it is seriously good. So even if this was a $10, a $20 bronzer, I would still like it. So the fact that it's only $1 is amazing. Like the glow to my skin right now, that kind of bronzed up sun-kissed glow, a little bit more definition to my cheekbones. Like, this looks so great. And I just can't get over how perfect it looks on the skin. I'm so excited that I have this. This will be great for the summertime when I want to look like I have some color to my skin, even though I really don't, because I don't really get sun exposure. And if I do, I like to be under an umbrella or with tons of sunscreen on. But I can pretend like I'm sun-kissed by using this product. And oh my gosh, I am just so happy. I feel like I've been very impressed with the products from my latest ShopMissA haul, and I really hope to continue this roll of great products. And I would love to know in the comments down below what some of your favorite bronzers are, because now that I'm trying another one and it's been a while since I've tried bronzers, it makes me really want to try more of them because I love bronzers. I feel like they are an essential to my makeup looks. So I'd love to get some recommendations. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.